again in Weber County. Right now, there is a legitimate fear for as many as 4,800 patients at McKay-Dee Hospital. Officials say these people may have been exposed to hepatitis C. Good for Utah's Aldo Vasquez has more on how this whole situation came about and what potentially exposed patients need to know.
I was just in shock. Like, am I gonna die or something from this or something?
This teenager is now left wondering about his health after receiving the letter in the mail telling him he may have been exposed to hepatitis C at McKay-Dee Hospital. It also has his mother asking questions about how this could have happened.
It's really scary, but hopefully we'll know by Monday. Everything will be okay.
Her son visited the emergency department twice during the time Elliot Nielsen was found to have been diverting Dilaudid and morphine meant for disposal for her use, possibly exposing nearly 4,800 patients to hepatitis C, genotype 2B. There are 6 different genotypes under the hepatitis C category, and the Utah Department of Health is very confident in tracing it back to this hospital and this employee because only 10% of all cases in the United States are of the 2B genotype.
So it's important for people to realize how hepatitis C is transmitted from person to person, and hepatitis C is only transmitted from person to person through contact with infected blood.
The investigation into Nielsen's wrongdoings began back in November of last year after the hospital's drug monitoring system noticed a problem.
The suspect had come forward to her employer. That in turn, the employer had brought the information to us. We conducted an investigation. She was ultimately charged with several counts of possession of controlled substance and theft.
She pled guilty to those charges in May 2015, and according to the Utah Division of Occupational and Professional Licensing, her license as a nurse has been suspended. Now McKay-Dee Hospital is working with the Utah Department of Health to get those patients who received a letter treated. The department also says they expect the number of those infected to be very low, but urge everyone to get tested as symptoms typically don't appear until 25 years after exposure. In Ogden, Aldo Vasquez, Good for Utah.
That patient went in for testing at the McKay-Dee Hospital lab today. The testing is free for anyone who received one of those letters. If you need more information or if you have any questions, contact the McKay-Dee Hospital hotline. That number is at the bottom of your screen.